In this part, we will use track bars to create mask for the pencil or anything which will be used for writing. The track bars window has 6 scales, on which minimum and maximum values of hue, saturation and value of HSV format can be set. In this case, a mask for the pink part of the pencil is being set. The marker on the scale is being moved in left-right direction to find a place where pink part of pencil starts to get black. The values are supposed to be set in such a way that in the mask window, only pencil is visible and rest everything is black. Now that the mask is created, pencil can be used for writing. Depending upon the area of exposure, a suitable value can be set in the program. Also remember that the area of exposure depends on the distance from the camera and is inversely proportional. Also, the area of exposure of the mask can be controlled using fingers and holding it accordingly. There is a practical limit on the speed of writing due to fixed value of frame rate of the camera and processing speed of the algorithm. Download the code from my GitHub page and play along the parameters. Do comment if there is a doubt in the code.